Tuesday and Wednesday's weather conditions are shaping up to be their very own form of March Madness. That's why I spoke with experts about precautions you can take inside and outside of your home.
So that's the part whenever that tree falls down, what you're seeing all this center portion is gone.
There's layers to understanding trees. Mark McWhirter says most problems lie beyond the surface.
It can become pretty hazardous pretty quick. Just because a tree stood somewhere for 65 years doesn't mean it's going to stand there for another 60.
Especially with high winds like what's expected Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. His crews with Everhart Tree Service are on standby for whatever weather comes.
It's been a little bit more harsh this year. Like the weather was a little bit colder, and then when you mix the saturation with high winds, I mean, it seems we have a lot of those storms every year anyways, but it's always concerning.
The worst case scenario is a tree falling in someone's yard or on a home.
Let's cock it a little bit.
A home's interior is Paul Carr's area of expertise. He works for Endeavor Home Performance and says air leaks can be an issue for people year-round.
That's very common. I see that a lot where it just fell down a little bit and then they couldn't lock it, and so they just gave up.
He demonstrated on storm windows, but the same goes for doors.
The fan blows and it pressurizes the house and measures how leaky the house is.
Outdoors, experts don't encourage waiting around.
If you get somebody out there to look at your trees, it's just best to do that before a storm.
That, of course, means peeling back the final layer of preparation, expertise.
And it's also really important to find a company that knows what they're doing.
Rachel Henderson, KSHB 41 News.